Good afternoon, everyone. This is Cody with BasecampTrading.com. Just wanted to make a quick video going over FTIB, or Fifth Third Bancorp. That's the weekly chart. There we got pretty good resistance above here at 55.5, roughly 55.44 to be exact. It's the resistance here I'm watching in FTIB. We have been trending higher, putting in higher lows. And we have good resistance right here. So I want to see if we can eventually get above there and move up. They do have earnings, though, coming up, so just keep that in mind. But it's the market I'm watching right now. If you like this kind of content and you want to check out our trading room, we do offer a $7 1-month access. So you can email support@basecamptrading.com. But thank you and have a nice day.